Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Hope all are fit and fine. Welcome to my virtual English class. In my previous video, I taught you about verbs, but some of the students are facing some problems. That's why I'm sending this video again and tell you more about verbs. Okay? In this video, I will tell you about the difference between main verbs and auxiliary verbs. I taught you that there are two types of verbs. First is main verb and second is auxiliary verbs. What are main verbs? Main verbs are called lexical verbs and auxiliary verbs are called helping verbs. Main verbs. Main verbs expresses action and state of being. State of being means existence of the subject. It shows the existence of subject in a sentence. And main verbs also makes the meaning clear and they can stand alone. It means if there is a main verb in a sentence, it can make the meaning of the sentence clear. Suppose he is a boy. In this sentence, is a being verb. Is showing the existence of the boy. Okay. There is no action, only showing the state of being. In another sentence, am a teacher. Here, am is also showing the existence of a teacher. Now come to the third sentence, they play. In this sentence, play is main verb, but this sentence is clear with the main verb that they play, वे खेलते हैं, isn't it? Here, he is a boy, is the main verb. I am a teacher, here am is the main verb and they play is the main verb. All these verbs are standing alone. They do not need any other verb. देखिए he is the main verb, does not need any another verb. Am is a teacher, I am a teacher. Here no other verb is required. In the third example, they play, no other verb is required. This only word makes the meaning clear of the sentence. Isn't it? That main verbs express the action. देखिए, they play. Play is an action. Meaning clear? And also I said that main verbs shows the state of being. In this sentence, I am a teacher. Here, am is a being verb. I said that main verbs makes the meaning clear. He is a boy. Is the main verb. Standing alone, no required of any verb, and it is making the meaning clear. Now come to the auxiliary verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs does not stand alone. It means they need the help of main verb to make the meaning clear. Isn't it? They also denotes time period. Through the auxiliary verbs, we come to know about the time period and also they determine the mood of the subject. Isn't it? All these points I taught you in my previous video, but again I am making it more expressive for your convenience. Now I am making it clear through some examples. Just see, he is sleeping. Here is the main verb. Okay, but sleeping is the main verb and is auxiliary verb. जस्ट सी, देखिए इस सेंटेंस में इज आपका मेन वर्ब है, लेकिन इस सेंटेंस में ही इज स्लीपिंग में इज आपका ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, नॉट मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्ब इज द स्लीपिंग. स्लीपिंग इज एन एक्शन वर्ब, isn't it? He is sleeping में sleeping is main verb and is auxiliary verb. I am driving to the beach. देखिए इसमें भी I am a teacher आ रहा है, इधर भी I am आ रहा है. इन द मेन वर्ब आई एम में यहाँ पर जो एम है दिस इज मेन वर्ब, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस एम इज एन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब बिकॉज इट इज मेकिंग द मीनिंग क्लियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेन वर्ब ड्राइविंग. यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग आपका मेन वर्ब है, एम इज ड्राइविंग वर्ब की हेल्प से अपने मीनिंग को क्लियर कर रहा है. ठीक है. I taught you, देखिए does not stand alone. Auxiliary verbs or you may say helping verbs do not stand alone. अब आप इस सेंटेंस में आइए, they can. In this sentence, meaning is not clear. Meaning is clear with this sentence. They can play. It means play is the main verb and can is the auxiliary verb. Clear? It means that auxiliary verbs makes the meaning clear with the help of main verb. They do not stand alone. They tells us the time period. Just देखिए, he is sleeping. इसमें जो is है आपका, it is presenting the present continuous time. Isn't it? Sleeping is the main verb और is इसमें आपका auxiliary verb है क्योंकि ये हमें time period बता रहा है. Now come to the last example. They can play. Here can is showing the mood of the subject. It is showing the ability of the subject. I also taught you that also determine mood of the subject. This is clear through this example that they can play. Can is showing the ability of the subject. I think you are easily come to know the difference between main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Some verbs act as a main verb and the same verbs also act as auxiliary verbs. See this picture. Helping verbs help the main verb in doing their job. देखिए सेंटेंस देखिए, we should help our parents. In this sentence, should is the helping verb and help is the main verb. आप इस सेंटेंस में से जरा help हटाइए. We should our parents. The meaning is clear? No, meaning is not clear because we need main verb to make the meaning clear. अगर हम इसमें से main verb को हटा दें, help को हटा दें, तो sentence will be we should our parents. तो इसका मतलब जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होती हैं या फिर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स होती हैं, दे नीड मेन वर्ब्स टू मेक द मीनिंग क्लियर. ओके, let us do an exercise regarding main verbs and auxiliary verbs. In this exercise, I have given you some sentences and you have to solve them and tell whether the bold words are main verb or auxiliary verbs. I will solve only first 3 sentences. Then rest of the sentence you will do in your English copy and we will discuss in Zoom class. Let us do. They are teachers. In this sentence, how many verbs are there? In this sentence, only one verb is there. Okay? So it means जिस sentence में एक verb होती है, that is the main verb. पहले आप ये समझ लीजिए. Because there is only one verb. Are is a verb, so it is main verb. Now come to the next sentence. I will tell her the truth. Here, two verbs are there. Will is verb, tell is verb. So will is making the meaning clear with the help of tell. So here, tell is the main verb and will is the auxiliary verb. Therefore, will is the auxiliary verb. Clear? Because there are two verbs. Will is taking the help of tell. Come to the next sentence. I don't know your phone number. Here how many verbs are there? एक verb तो don't हो गई और दूसरी हो गई no. Two verbs are there. Therefore, don't is main verb or auxiliary verb. Don't is auxiliary verb and auxiliary verb because it is taking the help of no. Isn't it? Now, sentence 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to do in your English copy and we will discuss in class. Isn't it? जरा आप sentence number 10 देखिए. This book was written in 1950s. Here how many verbs are there? एक verb तो was है और एक verb है written. So it means was is taking the help of written. अब जहां पे आपका हेल्प आ जाए, वो हेल्प ले रही है रिटन की यानी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, आप ऐसे याद रखिए, ठीक है। वॉज हेल्प ले रहा है रिटन का, तो इज इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब। क्लियर? दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम योर माय साइड। थैंक यू, हैव ए ग्रेट डे, बाय।